The interest coverage ratio, also known as the times interest earned tie ratio, is a financial metric used to assess a company's ability to meet its debt obligations. In simpler terms, it tells you how easily a company can cover its interest payments on outstanding loans. Here's a breakdown of the concept. Formula: interest coverage ratio equals EBIT interest expense. EBIT stands for earnings before interest and taxes. This represents the company's profit from core operations before accounting for interest and tax expenses. Interest expense is the total amount of interest the company pays on its loans and debt. Interpretation: a higher interest coverage ratio indicates a stronger financial position. It means the company generates enough profit to comfortably cover its interest payments. Conversely, a lower ratio suggests potential difficulty servicing the debt. General rule: a ratio of at least 2 is considered good, while 3 or above is even better. A ratio below 1 is a red flag, potentially indicating financial stress. Importance: the interest coverage ratio is a valuable tool for lenders and creditors. They use it to evaluate the risk of lending money to a company. A higher ratio suggests a lower risk of default. Investors: they consider it when making investment decisions. A company with a strong interest coverage ratio might be a more attractive investment.